So here we are studying what is recurrence relation. So first of all we will see the definition of what is recurrence relation. As the term relate, it is recurrence. It is occurrence of the recurrence number of elements and the output of we can say that is the output of first element depends on the output of previous element. What do you mean by it? First of all we will see the definition of it. So definition is, it is an equation that recursively define a sequence where the next term is function of the previous term. So means what is the meaning of it? The sequence where the next term, that I said earlier, that the next term, that is the first term, is the function of the previous one. Means what? The previous term output is input to the next term. So it is defined as the recursively occurrence of the relation is called as a recurrence relation. So we'll take example of it. Like if we are having example, like first element is a1, its function depends on the output of a0 element plus 4. That means if we don't know a0, what is the output of a0, we cannot define a1. Similarly, if we don't know output of a1, then we can't define a2. Similarly, a3, a4 and so on. So if I want to write the recurrence relation for a1, a2 and a3, that means I want to take the generalized recurrence relation of it. So how can I write? I can write an is equals to an minus 1 plus 4. That means if I want to take an example like this, like if I want to take example, if I want to put what is the output of a2, what can be the generating function, or we can say what can be the recurrence relation for a2, I can say it as an, that means n is equals to what here? 2. N is equals to 2. N is equals to 2. So a2 is equals to an minus 1, that is a1 plus 4. So this is the recurrence relation for a2 that we can derive from an minus 1 is equals to an minus 1 plus 4. So we can take second example of it is Fibonacci series. Like what can be the recurrence relation for the Fibonacci series? That is fn is equals to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. So if I want to put n is equals to 2 here, so generalized function may say